Hi, so I'm Rory Turnbull. I work for BT. I'm going to introduce you to the content distribution framework that we've been working on with XPway. The content distribution framework allows us to use multicast or broadcast capabilities for internal network optimization, not as a service to be sold. So what we're doing here is we're taking conventional unicast OTT style delivered media streams, the sort of streams you'd get with YouTube or Netflix or any of those types of players. Here we're using BT Sport, and we're going to, when those streams get very, very popular and there's lots of people watching them, then we'll steer that traffic onto a multicast or broadcast capability and benefit from the capacity savings that gives us. We're doing this in a way where we don't have to change any of the existing interfaces with content service providers or change any of the applications. They just remain as normal, simple unicast interfaces, and this eases deployment massively. And also, because we're treating everything as unicast, it means we can deploy multicast or broadcast capabilities on a region-by-region basis rather than having to do a national rollout of an entirely new network. This framework, it's network agnostic, so it's applicable to fixed networks, mobile networks, or 5G converged networks. So let's see it in action. Here we have a couple of devices connected over, this is over a cellular network. We've got a BT Sport application, just a conventional BT Sport application running here. When I select the media stream, it's going to start playing out here, and we can see that because it's a unicast application, our graphs on the screen are showing unicast data traversing our network. Okay, so that's all running as normal, as we would expect. If we start a second device, have a second device here. If I start another stream up, so it's another unicast stream, just a normal conventional unicast stream. So we now have two devices consuming unicast. If we look at the screen, we can see the unicast data here is substantial. There's two media flows. Now our framework's detecting that this is a popular event now. Maybe it's been a big sporting event. Lots of people are watching this. And shortly it'll activate a broadcast session and it will steer that traffic onto broadcast. So there we go, we see the broadcast session coming up and the unicast one drops down. So we've saved ourselves all that capacity. We may have had 100 unicast streams stacked up here and they've all collapsed into a single broadcast stream. Conversely, when we stop one of these streams now, if I just stop this one, we have one still running, still being serviced by the broadcast. When the system detects there's audience size has dropped, we'll start seeing that that's going to come over the unicast delivery. And there we go, the broadcast has been switched off and we'll start seeing remaining data for this stream being carried over unicast.